Hi everybody, Neil here and coming to you from Nottingham. I'm on my way to Warrington for Tuesday night's workshop. Made the trip over from Cyprus, so really looking forward to this. And well done for Warrington Gymnastic Club to put this on. It's a very important issue. They brought me in because I work a lot with young people. I work a lot with parents in relation to mental health, and I come from a lived experience background. That means I struggled in my teens and adulthood with mental health. I now work with young people from coaching to workshops and parents with coaching and workshops in the UK, in Ireland, Canada and in Cyprus. So a lot of experience brings this, and I want to share that experience with you. I want to inform you what other parents are struggling with and show you're not alone. This is for you parents whose teens are struggling, but also those who aren't struggling at the moment, because down the line there may be issues. So you want to be well prepared for it. We know that services like CAMHS, etc. are inundated. We're on waiting lists, we can't get in. So what if we could start helping our young people at home? Okay? This is what this workshop will enable you to do. You'll get a playbook at the end of it with tools that you use straight away. Then you'll have access to me to ask me any questions you need. Okay? This is for parents, yes, whose teens are struggling, those who aren't struggling as well, but it's also for every adult who has a teen in their life. Because teens will talk to peers first, then they'll talk to trusted adults, and then they'll go to parents. Okay? So we want to be that trusted adult maybe for someone else's teen. If we're a coach, if we're a parent, our kids might have friends, we want to be there for them too. Because we would like other adults to be there for our child, right? So it is for everyone. This is a community event that we can start taking responsibility to address the struggles our teens may be going through, but also help ourselves. We're going to take away that guilt, that shame, that embarrassment that a lot of parents feel. Okay, sorry for the noise. I hope you can hear me. I'm looking forward to seeing you on Tuesday. Talk to you soon.